Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Kripa Sapkota, one of the students doing Master Project ITech 7415, and we are three group members in our team, as well as creating web page application, online web page application for our client in reimbursement system. And now I'm going to demonstrate my final project. You can see here like a login screen for both admin panel and normal employee panel. As so far I'm going to show you something over here, like as I just put this one not in the complete Gmail account, and as I just sign in here over here, you can see here like that means the this screen can have the validation part, as we have done the validation part over there too. Now I'm going to log in this page from the admin panel. So you can see over here like welcome message, and you can see the dashboard, form, form page, expense report page, action record on form status. And in the form section, like admin can add the new user over here, like going to this one, he can add the name, email address, passport, account number, BSP, and everything, and he can also save that one and over from here. Now I'm going to show you something from here, like as I go to add users, admin can add the user over here. Suppose new user over here, I'm going to fill up the entry, and I'm going to add the new user for admin. Account number, and I'm going to enter the account number and BSP. You can see here account number must be of each digit, 8 digit, like, and again I'm going to save this one. It will ask for BSP number at least 6 digit. Now I'm going to save this one. User is added successfully. Now I'm going to log this out, and I'm going to log in from the normal employee form. I'm going to log this out, and I'm going to fill up from the normal employee Gmail. You can see here as I sign in here, you can see in point of the normal employee, you can see the reimbursement form. He can fill up the reimbursement form, he can fill up the travel form, and he can also see the reimbursement status. That means if he had filled up the new reimbursement form and he can go to the reimbursement status, that means his form is like still pending, approved, or like denied from the admin panel. So now I'm going to fill up the reimbursement form from the normal employee Amrit. Now I'm going to fill such as medicine, like such as 5500. I'm going to here the calendar format. You can see here with the calendar. Suppose I added 10th, and now I'm going to attach the file from here, and suppose I attach one file and open it. Then like you can see here auto fill of account name, account number, and BSP number. How it happened, like previously I show you admin can fill up the new admin can add the new users, like whoever first joined the company, and after joining the like add users, yeah, there is the autofill. There is no need to fill up this one or like name, account number, and BSP. And I'm going to save this one. Data has been saved successfully. Now I'm going to show you reimbursement status. Like here you can see here the which I have done. Show this one, like medicines one is still pending. Like admin need to approve, whether approve or deny or something. Admin need to have some, need to do that one response, that one. Now I'm going to log this out, and I'm Again, I'm going to log in from the admin panel to show you that one status. So admin can also see that reimbursement status, which employee had filled up this one. Like you can see form status over here, like Amrit for medicine, which I have done. No, this one medicine. This, so like as I go over there and it's like pending, like here you can see this one, and action required on form like Amrit, which we have done like medicine 1 5500. He can either approve or he can deny, and the action, he can do the action. Like if I suppose approve this one, form approved successfully over here. Now I can go home status over there, like here you can see the approved too. And now I'm here going to the expense report form. Like admin can see the expense report since how long, what the expenses have been categorized. Now I'm going to add this one. Suppose for this month, admin can see the expense report form like till 30. I'm going to, what are the expense, like these are the expense that admin had approved from here. Like, and he can, we had added the option that he can download the um, this file as well. Now again moving towards the normal employee form, I'm going to sign it from the normal employee. Here you can see the normal, another normal employee welcome money, and this one reimbursement status, like everything over here. And here too you can see his reimbursement, his status, whether it had been like before he had filled up the reimbursement form for the food, which is the expensive over this one, and the admin have denied that form. So this deny form will not come on that reimbursement expense report here. So like here are, and he can fill up the travel form from date, like going to the travel form, like suppose 12th of June, and to date is like suppose 11th of June. I'm going to estimate the cost over here. Suppose mm, is I just do this one and save, it will ask to date must be greater than the equal from date. That means like from date, 2 days, like if he were, if he's going to have the travel today and he cannot return back like yesterday, it will be suppose like either 12 or 14. Suppose I enter this one and save it over here. Data has been set successfully. Now he can see his reimbursement status, like he can see like this status can be viewed by the admin panel over there. In, as I log in from here, he can see his reimbursement status over there too. Now so far, like these are the things that we have done in our project, and what are the things that we have done so far, like these ones is, I'm going to show like what are the things that we have done so far, that we are in this project. We are in the team member, we just divided our tasks within the team members, and we have done the done our task so carefully. That's like I'm going to show like here that what we have done in our like so far. here is the we have the our client detail that Nashim Mohammed as being our client. He helped us so much in our project uh, with some of the motivations and like encouragements given, and like as so far like these are the user study product and sprint backlog in our product like projects. Login pages, add user. There is we had added more functionality in our login screen, and in our project like we have chosen the methodology as a agile scrub. We have in our methodology we have chosen agile script as a methodology, and so it's easy to divide the tasks, and it's easy for us like we have divided tasks in each and every steps, and we have done our project so smoothly. So now there are a few we have attached the use case diagram here, like you can see the admin and the employee can log in the reimbursement form, and admin can see the expense report form. He can check the reimbursement history. He can either approve or deny the form, and like being the normal employee, like employee can fill up the reimbursement form. He can fill up the travel form, and he can even check his reimbursement status over there. And here we have also in our project we have done our wireframe as well, like, and wireframe how our project has gone so far. That's the wireframe that we have done. And like we had created the activity diagram from the normal employee and for the admin panel as well, and we had done our class and sequence diagrams over there, like in the whole project. Like we have used what the system we have used over here, like jQuery, MySQL. We have used the PHP and everything, and JavaScript, everything over here, like this one. And in our like whole, we have the equal and equal participation in our project, and we have done the good communication with the in our within our client and with the supervisor and with the lecturers. Here we can see like in the main thing is that our lecturers help us so much in the whole project. And at last I'm going to thank all of my team members, my client Nasir Nasir sir, my supervisor Ravi sir, and my lecturer Bella and MIT coordinator like Bilal Chowdhury for supporting us and help us for the completion of our project. Thank you very much.